step in this process is to apply your hot cream. Rub it into your skin properly, and then you wrap your osmotic wrap. You put it around you. You keep wrapping until you feel it has covered the region properly. You can wrap your tummy, you can wrap your arms, and you can wrap your thighs as well. So it all depends on where you want the wrap to work on. So you wrap your tummy, and then you can actually leave the wrap on. Wrap it with a towel and leave it on for overnight, or you can place your waist trainer over your wrap after you're done wrapping to increase the thermal activity, and then you can just go about your normal activities around the house. You can leave the wrap on for about an hour if you're busy, or you can leave it on overnight and take it out the next day. But if you're leaving it on overnight, I would advise that you increase the heat by wrapping it with a towel rather than your waist trainer. The osmotic wrap sticks to your skin. Do this often to get a tighter, smoother, firmer looking skin, and it also helps you to lose toxins and burn fat.